7 Skills Every Rich Person Masters. Robert T. Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, explains that learning is the key to getting rich. More than that, you need the right set of skills to become a millionaire. Most people think these skills cannot be taught, but the truth is, anyone can pick them up. In this video, we'll take a look at 7 skills every rich person masters. We've also got a bonus for you, so make sure you hang around till the end of this video. Hey there and welcome to After School TV. We inspire you to explore opportunities to achieve your life goals and make more impact. If you're new here, do us a favor and comment, and of course, subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. 7 skills every rich person masters. 1. Marketing and branding. Your reputation is everything, which is why most millionaires have a good brand. Your reputation is also the best advertisement you have. Promoting yourself with marketing and branding your company is the cornerstone of any empire. Telling the world what you do in the most transparent way possible will allow you to be known in the marketplace. It will expand your business in unprecedented ways. Many people confuse selling with marketing. Although they happen to be in the same area, there are fundamental differences between the two. You sell something because the company needs to make a profit. You market something as a solution to a problem. Mastering the art of marketing alone is enough to make you rich. 2. Communication. Rich people send out thousands of emails every year. Every email builds your brand. They are also specialists on the phone and meeting face-to-face. The more effectively you can share your message with the world, the more likely people will want to work with you. The level of your communication can influence your financial status. 3. Goal setting and planning. Having well-defined goals is like having a map, and the more detailed the map is, the easier it will be to get where you want to go. Rich people use the most effective goal setting and goal achievement techniques possible. What most millionaires will tell you about goals is that they must be written down. According to a Harvard study, 3% of their MBA graduates who had their goals written down ended up earning more than the rest put together. It's not enough to write your goals down. You must also review them. It's stated that people who very vividly describe or picture their goals are anywhere from 1.2 to 1.4 times more likely to successfully accomplish their goals than people who don't. 4. Organizing. Every millionaire has a system that works for them. They are well organized and flexible enough to adapt to their changing environments. Almost every business decision you will ever make will come from your desk. If you're organized and know how to locate information in the fastest way possible, you will have the skills to become a millionaire. 5. Investing. Another skill that wealthy people have mastered is how and when to invest. They know where to put their money and how to use compound interest to leverage their investments. You can start with as little as $100. If you're not comfortable investing in stocks, or you believe you don't have enough capital to invest in something like real estate, then why not invest in cryptocurrency? 6. Resilience. A resilient spirit coupled with flexibility will give you an advantage over people who choose not to continue when they face failure or defeat. One thing that the wealthiest people have in common is their resilience. Some of the wealthiest people in the world failed multiple times before achieving the success they have today. From Jeff Bezos to Jack Ma, they faced years of failure, but they didn't quit. Now they're the richest men in the world. Whatever your goal or dream is, you need to have the strength to go at it. You feel like giving up, but as long as you stay resilient, it'll pay off. 7. Self-discipline. Success in business and life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Your ability to keep pushing one foot in front of the other will determine your level of success. Knowing how to ignore outside influences, such as the weather, what other people say, or how you feel each day, will get you to the finish line. It doesn't matter what you're trying to achieve. If you can't discipline your actions, you're probably not going to get it. Every successful individual we've known or read about is self-disciplined. They know what they need to do every day to get to where they want to go. How do you expect to run a business if you can't control your time and organize your environment? You should accept that this is not for you, and you need to rethink what you wish to do with your life. We've come to the end of this video, but here in After School TV, we care about you, so we decided to add a little bonus. The bonus this time is Bonus Social Media Manager. The average internet user spends about 2 hours and 30 minutes on social media every day. Businesses and brands try to capitalize on this, which is why they're always willing to hire freelance social media managers. As a social media manager, your job will be to post on the brand's page, engage with its customers, curate content that aligns with its values and goals, etc. It doesn't take much to start as a social media manager. After all, you already do the same things on your personal page. The difference is you're getting paid to do it for a company and a larger audience. There you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Till next time, and as always, your success matters.